going to give Russell a chance to get a shot he's never attempted before, and that's the beavers from underwater by positioning cameras along this beaver motorway. But they need to be in situ by first light before the beavers are active.
So you're just making sure you've got cameras pointing in all directions. Then it's a question of just hoping the beavers will swim past.
Yeah. Russell knows that the beavers become active around 5 and 6 in the morning for a couple of hours. And bang on time, we get to see our first ripples of the morning, a good sign they're up and about.
There we go. So just here. Yeah, wow, that's fantastic. This is the closest I've ever got to beaver out in the wild. They're so silent. Yeah, don't move me.
They are constantly foraging for food, adding and making repairs to their lodge.
Here we go, look at that. That vegetation's as big as the beaver. That's huge.
Oh, manners, yeah. Like the ones you should have taught her about not running around on your fella.
Shut up, Graham.
I'd like to, really. I only came in for a quiet drink, but you won't stop carping. Just pour me my drink.
No. You seem pretty stewed to me.
Be delighted with that. I mean, that 5 years in the making, aren't they, those shots?
Yeah, I mean, it's a bit of work and chucked to bits, really. One of those days.
Yeah, well,
It's a good day.
well done you, and thank you for sharing it with me.
And that's what it's about. And the more we share wildlife around, the better it's going to be for everybody.
Couldn't agree more.
Thank you to Richard in Tearside. We've been outside, we've got our results of the wonderful blood tests that we've been taking. Well, yeah, I mean, we've had 53 people come through, sit down, and have their blood test type.
And the one that you really wanted, Sarah,
Yeah.
the